In today's video, I am going to teach you how to export Google Analytics data to Excel. To begin, open your web browser and go to Google Analytics. Make sure you are signed in to the correct account and that you have the right property selected, because exports will reflect whatever you are currently viewing. Once Analytics loads, you will start on the home area. This is the main landing page where Google Analytics gives you a quick overview of performance. From the home screen, find and click the option called View Report Snapshot. This takes you into a report-style view where your key metrics and charts are presented in a more structured way. Give the page a moment to load fully, especially if you have a lot of data, since the export will be based on what is displayed in the report. Next, click on the highlighted report area. In many layouts, this highlight refers to the main report card or the section you are viewing in the reporting hub. The goal here is to make sure you have the specific report in focus before you download it. If you want the exported data to match what you need, take a quick second to confirm that the date range and any filters you have applied are correct. For example, if you are viewing the last 7 days but you need the last 30 days, change it now before exporting. Once the correct report is selected, look for the Download File option. This is usually found near the top right of the report area, often represented by a download icon or a menu item. Click Download File to open the export options. In the Download menu, choose Download CSV. A CSV file is a common format that opens easily in Microsoft Excel. After you click Download CSV, your browser will download the file to your computer, typically into your Downloads folder unless you have set a different location. Finally, open Excel, then open the downloaded CSV file. If you want to save it as a standard Excel workbook, use Save As and select the Excel workbook format, which helps preserve your work if you plan to edit, format, or create charts. And that is all there is to it.